So this Mercedes just came in. It's a 2014 C300. Came in with a P2279 code, intake air sensor, and we removed the cover from here. And right away we noticed that this vacuum hose here didn't have a screw in it. So right away we noticed that that was sucking air because there was no screw. So we put the screw in, cleared the codes, and so we got a leak. Okay. See it ain't second. Ain't second now. Nah, think about putting it up. Air's coming off on here. Couldn't even pick this up. So it has a leak up under there. All the way up on there. See the motor choking out. The intake is leaking up under here from the seals, which is rubber on this plastic. They're not bonded in a spot where they need to be at, so when you spray brake fluid, it's picking it up. I sprayed everywhere else, it only picks up right here. Right through here is seals on this plastic piece that need to be replaced. I got caught dealing with a customer, so I missed him. This guy waits for no one. So I missed him, but I'm on it now. He already got the intake off, and we just cleaning it up, making sure our gasket sticks right there. We're just getting it all cleaned up. Alright, what we got here, Joe? What we done so far? They came in for an intake leak. What I found, this green one's the old one. Rip right there. A lot of the lips are deformed. There's not supposed to be no oil on it, so I'm cleaning it down. I just found a bunch of rubber old seals are rotten. These the new ones, they blue. So when you push it down on it, it'll seal itself. I'm finna wipe silicone around these two right here. So when that apply on there, the rubber bonding around his lip right here. The rubber will bond in here on his lip instead of anything else. Just make sure it's sealed. And it won't seal on top of glue. I mean on top of oil. You gotta clean that stuff off. Nice and clean, nice and clean. Don't need no heavy coat or light coat, but he's one. You can disagree with it if you want to, but when you come back and try to take it off, you'll see the seal is really where it's supposed to be. You don't have to use silicone. You can use some like bearing grease or Vaseline grease. It just helps. It's go down there. I'm trying to get it in the hole. It's basically on the blue part. That's it. bit. I almost forgot about that. I know I can get it. Come on. Don't do me like that. There we go. Thank you, son of a bitch. Now you see what my white eye do. Yeah, you know exactly what shit go in. Ain't no guessing.
Everything connected. It's about the best tool money can buy. Alright, now it's time to turn the key or press the button rather. Get my receipts out of here. Back in. Put my foot on the brake. Start button. Do I have the key? No, I don't. Alright, now we have the keys. Over here. Press our start button. No more choke. No more chokage. That's it. We'll give this a second, then we'll clear the code. So after spraying it, it had even more codes in there when it started missing. So we're gonna go clear all the codes out of it. Cleared everything. Switch off ignition, okay. Switch on ignition. Okay. All right. All right. Here we have in my engine control module. My ECM is back at normal. Put the finishing touches on it. Alright. Voila. I love it when a plan comes together.